Hello everyone. Today the video will be about the Kentech multi-door cabinet. The multi-door cabinet, as you can see in my screen right now, I have a cabinet with 4 controllers and I have another cabinet with 6 controllers. On the right you have a more detailed view, and let's go to it better. Yes. Here, for example, we are looking at the 4 controller cabinet, which means, let's say I have 4 KT315 or KT300, or what that will mean a 8-door cabinet. Since KT315 200, it's 2 doors, or 4x2. All right, now you can see I have the controller, I have the cabinet on the back, I have the mounting plate, depending on what I'm gonna be installing. So if it's for KT400, I have a different mounting plate. If it's for a battery, I have a different mounting plate. We're gonna see that in the detail further. We're talking about what? We're talking about an option allowing us to avoid having those situations. For example, in the left, I have 8 KT300 cabinet. Have 2 multi-door cabinet of 4 each, and I have 8 controller. On the right, for example, I have one cabinet with 4, another cabinet with 4, where I can have and fit everything nice and neat. Here, for example, I have 4 multi-door cabinet. Those are the 6 controller cabinet. I can choose to install 6 KT300 or 6 KT215 or 6 KT. In the case of KT400, as you all know, those controllers are bigger. If I install 6 in that cabinet, I have no space for battery. So I will have the battery with a lead extender installed on another cabinet on the side. Or I can install 4 KT400. In that case, I have everything I need. Battery, everything in the cabinet, as you can see on the right. Here, we're having a detailed view of what we could do. For example, we have in this cabinet, this KT Cab 3000 LDR, right? I can install 12 of these mounting plates, MP200, or I can install 4 MP200 and 4 battery. Here you see, for example, MP300, since I'm used to it, I know those are the mounting plate to install KT300, 315, and the BB101. BB100 is the accessories for the battery. But we can take a look. We have a link where that link brings us to this page. It's on that video. And one of those documents, for example, here, that's help us to understand what when we're seeing MP200, MP200, what is that? So a KT MP200 is the mounting plate, so allowing us to install the input output module for KT200, KT215, and the module, so we can either install those or install 400 module on the MP200. With that information in mind, when the here we have 12 KT MP200, so that means that we can install 12 input module, for example, in that cabinet, or output module in that cabinet, or KT400 module on that cabinet, right? So we were seeing MP400, MP400, KT400, right? And as for the battery, we have the right bracket and the left bracket, please, because as you can see, let's take a look. We'll need to get back to the presentation to get that way. As you can see here, I have one left side and left side and right side. So we have to select the bracket correctly. Okay. So what are we saying? Team, please. We do have multi-door cabinet available. That's allowing you to have a nicer installation where you could have these and have, imagine, let's think. This one, each cabinet holds 6 KT300 or KT315 or KT400. Imagine with those 4 cabinets, how many controllers I have there. Instead of putting 6 by 6, that will be 36. I have 4. 4 by 6, that will be 24 cabinet. So I'm avoiding putting 24 cabinet by putting 4 cabinet of 6 controller. Right? Oh, what? I hope this video will help you. Remember, there is a link on the description of that video where you can access all the documentation helping you to get the correct part number. Thank you.